Chris, aka that plant-based brother, and welcome back to my channel, Culture Kitchen. Now, before we get started with today's video, as always, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. Please hit subscribe and notification bell so you can be up to date when I drop new videos. Now, on to today's video. Today, we're going to be making the ultimate mac and cheese from Bosch TV's latest cookbook, Speedy Bosch. If you guys are not familiar about Bosch TV, I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel in the description box. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Alright family, so the first thing what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get a pot of boiling water started, and you're going to cook 300 grams of elbow macaroni noodles. And when you cook the noodles, make sure you cook the noodles according to the box instructions. Alright, next we're going to go with 750 milliliters of unsweetened plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk, but you can use whatever plant-based milk you want to use. Just make sure it's unsweetened. Alright, next we have 50 grams of soaked cashews. To soak the cashews, just put them in some water overnight, or you can boil them for 30 minutes. Alright, next, put the lid on and we blend until smooth. Alright, so now we're going to make the cheese sauce. We're going to start with 40 milliliters of olive oil. Next, we're going to go with 1 clove of garlic minced. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and just saute the garlic. And we're going to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes max. And we just want to get the garlic cooked a little bit. Once you smell the garlic, then it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, now that we got our oil and our garlic cooking, we're going to go ahead and add our flour. And this actually makes a roux. And it's very important that we make a roux for this recipe because it enhances the creaminess. And, you know, with dairy cheese having a natural stretch, vegan cheese doesn't necessarily have that. So we want to create a roux to kind of mimic that same texture in a sense. All right. So after that, what we're going to do next is we're going to add the milk and cashew mixture to the roux. And we want to gradually add it. You don't want to pour all of it in at the same time. So you're going to pour in a little bit of the milk cashew mixture, stir the roux, add a little bit more, stir the roux until you get something smooth that looks just like this. All right, next we're going in with 100 grams of vegan cheese, which is basically a half cup of vegan cheese. I'm using Good Planet cheddar shreds and the mozzarella shreds. This is not a paid advertisement. I've actually, came across their vegan cheese by mistake, and ever since then I've been loving it. So that's what I'm using. You can use whatever vegan cheese you like to use. Okay. Next, we're going in with 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. All right. So the nutritional yeast is actually going to enhance the cheesiness of this cheese sauce that we're making right now. So we have the cheese shreds and we have the nutritional yeast to boost up this cheesy flavor for this macaroni and cheese. I'm telling you guys, it's going to be delicious. Trust me. Alright, so next we're going with 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and then we're going to continue to stir our cheese sauce. Alright, as you can see here, I'm adding a little bit more water. My cheese sauce is still a little bit too thick for my liking, so I added a little bit more water to thin it out some more. Alright, now this part is not in the actual recipe, but I added my own little twist to it, just a little bit. I added some black pepper, some fresh cracked black pepper to the cheese sauce because I just like to taste the pepper in my cheese sauce. You don't have to add pepper to yours. You can keep it out if you want. That's your prerogative. That's up to you. This is going to be your mac and cheese. So make sure you season your cheese sauce to your liking because obviously you're going to be the one eating it. All right, next we're going to add the noodles to the cheese sauce, and then we're going to give it a mix, and we want to make sure that the noodles are evenly coated with the cheese sauce. Okay, so next we're going to make the breadcrumb topping for the mac and cheese. So we're going to go with 50 grams of fresh breadcrumbs. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. All right, next we're going to go with some salt, and then we're going to go with some pepper. And then we're going to mix the breadcrumbs, get everything nice mixed and incorporated. And then we're going to add that as a topping to the mac and cheese. Okay, next we're going to add our breadcrumb mixture on top of our mac and cheese, and then we're going to spread it out, making sure we have an even, thin layer of breadcrumbs on top of our mac and cheese. All right, next we're going to go ahead and put the pan in the oven on broil for about 3 minutes, just long enough for the breadcrumbs to brown. All right, so let's get a little zoom in action on this ultimate mac and cheese, and look at that. Look at that. And there you have it, family. Ultimate vegan mac and cheese. Damn. Well, there you have it, family. Ultimate vegan mac and cheese. I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope you have a lot of fun as well. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me at culturekitchen@gmail.com. If you would like to follow me on any of my social media platforms, on Instagram, it's at thatplantbasedbrother, and on Facebook, it's facebook.com/culturekitchen. If you guys want more information about Bosch TV, I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel in the description box. Please like, share, subscribe. With that being said, this your boy Chris, aka That Plant Based Brother, with Culture Kitchen, signing off. Oh, we cooking.